Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This video, we are going to look at simplifying clues. So, what does simplifying clue means? Okay, some questions look complicated. This is because that there is a lot of information within. Okay, but very often not all the information in the questions is equally important. Okay, so simplifying clue means that first we pick out the key details from the questions. Second, we organize them clearly. Okay, then lastly, we ignore what is not useful in the questions. So when the informations become simple, the problems become simple too. Okay, let's look at a questions from SASMO 2025. Pause and give it a try. A box contains 3 purple hats, 1 green hat, and 1 orange hat. Tom and Daria each draw 2 hats without looking. After seeing his own hats, Tom says, I know the color of the hat left in the box. If Tom is telling the truth and is correct, what colors are the hats he drew? Okay, so the question is kind of long. What we can do is we write down what Tom might draw and what are the hats that left in the box. Okay, first we separate them to draw 2 hats and whatever that left in the box, which is draw by Tom for this part and whatever that left in the box for this part. Okay, let's look at the hats that are in the box. 3 purple hats, 1 green hat, and 1 orange hat. Okay, so first we are going to assume if Tom draw 2 purple hats, so whatever the left in the box would be still have 1 more purple, another green, and the orange color hat. Okay, but in this scenario, Tom wouldn't tell what are the hats that left in the box because there are 3 types of colors. Okay, so it's a no for this one. Then what if Tom draw 1 purple hat and 1 green hats? Whatever the left in the box are 2 purple hats and 1 orange hat. In this scenario, he wouldn't able to tell what is the hats that left in the box because there are 2 types of colors. It's very hard to tell, okay? Then we try. But if Tom draw 1 green hat and 1 orange hat, so whatever the left in the box are 1, 2, and 3 are all purple hats. So in this one, he will be able to tell because there's only 1 type of color that left in the box. So what are the color of the hats he drew? The answer would be orange and green color. Okay, so basically, we are using some kind of a table to simplifying them to help us solve the questions. Okay, let's look at questions from SMKC 2023. Pause and give it a try. Okay, 3 frogs live in a pond. Each night, one of the frogs sings a song to the other 2. After 9 nights, one of the frogs had sung 2 times. Another frog had listened to 5 songs. How many songs had the 3rd frog listened to? Okay, what can we do is we write down the number of the songs they listen and they sing to. Okay, first, we know that every single night one song sing and the other 2 listen. Okay, so again, we split them out to listen and to the number of song they sing. Okay, we list down for the 1st frog, 2nd frog, and the 3rd frog. Okay, then we see here. First, after 9 nights, 9 nights means there are total 9 songs are sang. Okay, 9 songs has already sang. So which means the 1st frog plus the second frog plus the third frogs, the number of songs they sing must be equals to 9 in total. Okay, as we can see, one of the frog had sung 2 times, which means we put 2 under first frog. Another part that we see is another frog had listened to 5 songs. Okay, so this one, second frog, the number of songs it listened, we put as 5. Okay, and now what we can see here, what about the number of songs that the second frog sing? Okay, first, how many nights does the second frog sing? 5 nights it listened already, which means the remaining would be 4 because total of nights, right? Okay, then here comes the simple step. We have 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, which means the remaining here would be 3 nights, which is the third frog sing to. Okay, so if 3 nights that the third frog is singing, what about the remaining nights that the frog is listened to? Remember, the nights that they listen and sing together must be equals to 9. So this one should be 9 minus 3 equals to 6. So to answer the questions, how many songs had the third frog listened to? The answer would be 6 songs. Okay? So simplifying quiz is to pick up the key details in the questions and we organize them. Okay? So by that, we will be able to find out what are the answers. All right? Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.